Here's a question where you're asked to find two real numbers between negative 2 pi and 2 pi that determine each of the points on the unit circle. And when they're saying real numbers, they're looking for a rotation. So they're looking for how far that is. So if I'm going to M, they want to know what that angle rotation is. And I think that this one, because they mention the domain would be in terms of pi, so I need to write this in terms of pi radians. Okay, so what is that angle? That's really, or that rotation, that's what they're looking for. Okay, each of these points means something. So this one here is a 30-degree angle to go up to there. To there is 45, to here is 60. This would be 90, and this would be 120 degrees. So this angle from the initial arm to the terminal arm is 120 degrees. So I could say the real number is 120 degrees. That's the rotation that gets you to M. But what they're wanting is to know what it is in terms of radians. So a couple ways you can do that. You can either multiply it by pi over 180 degrees. The degrees cancel, and when you simplify that, I think that comes out to 2/3 pi radians. So 2/3 pi radian, that would be that angle there. Or another way you can look at it is, maybe if I erase what I've done there so far, is if this is 1/6 pi, this is 2/6 pi, 3/6 pi, that's 4/6 pi. So to get to there is 4/6 pi. And if you simplify 4/6, that comes up to 2/3 pi. Let's do another one. Say like P. We'll do that. Oh, let me erase. And then let's do P. So to get to P, I want to know what this rotation is to get to there. So P, it looks like that's at a 45 degree. So 45 degrees are quarters. So if I'm starting here, this would be 1/45, that's 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. Down here, that would be 5/4 pi. That would be the rotation to get to that point. Okay, we'll do one last one. Let's do Q, for example. So if I want to get to Q, so I have, oh, now it says I have to do a negative one too. And they're looking for two real numbers. Oh, well, we'll do that with this last one. So the real number, the two real numbers is, so starting from here, if I go this way, what's the rotation to get to that point? Since that's at a 30-degree angle, this would be a sixth one. So it'd be 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 sixths. So that one there would be 11/6 pi. That's what Q would be. And the other way to call that is to go backwards. So to go from there to there. And that would just be down 1/6 pi. So 11/6 pi is the same thing as negative 1/6 pi. Another way to say that kind of thing right there is what are two coterminal rotations or coterminal angles. Okay, hopefully that helps you with number 5.